Hi everyone, and welcome to this very short video. So if you're preparing for investment funds in Canada exam, then this video is for you. So we are going to talk about the new prep offering that we have just launched. So stay tuned. I'm going to introduce myself, then we are going to talk about this new prep offering. So I'm Harry Vidalkar. I'm a retired fintech founder. I used to be a corporate trainer and used to provide corporate training services in various institutions. And I am a Harvard and MIT certified person. I have a CFA charter. I've done my CSC exam and MBA in finance. I'm currently doing my PhD in financial planning at Texas Tech University. Along with that, I have over 15 years of experience in the industry and education. I have trained over 30,000 students or more to clear their exams like CFA, FRM, then let's say CSC, FX, so on and so forth. And we have done around 200,000, we have covered around 200,000 investors through one of our program or so. So I also teach with post-secondaries. I teach with SAIT and Mount Royal University. I consult in AI and finance, and I'm pursuing PhD at Texas Tech. So what is this prep program all about? So I'm going to show you that, but it has 18 chapters. Then it has all 18 chapters are covered that are important for the FX exam. It has video lectures. It has 600 plus practice questions embedded into each chapter. Then there are 6 different mock exams. Then there are scenario games, right, that you can use to understand the topic really well. You have flashcards, and then you have a special series called as Numerical Mastery. So it's a 4-part video series along with some 33 worked questions as well as 50 practice questions that focuses specifically on numericals. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it all looks, and then we can continue. So just let me log in. So this is the unlocked course. It's on harryvidalkar.ca/FX. So if you see, it has first the exam information. So what is the exam all about? What are the weightings that you have to focus on, right? So the exam information is right up front. And when you go, you can see it is divided into course chapters first. So there are 18 course chapters. Then there is numerical practice, the mastery of numericals that I was talking about. And then there are 6 mock exams. Okay, so I'll show you some samples. So let's say overview of economics I'm viewing. So each chapter will have video lectures first. So you can watch a video lecture of what is the economics, so supply and demand curve, right? Then cyclical videos and stuff. So it has 2 videos in it. Okay, then it has study notes. So what are the important things you have to remember? So very short notes that are very exam focused that you can read. Then there is practice exam that you do, 30 questions per chapter. So let's say this is a case, they laid off workers, so which phase of the economy they are in. So I'm just saying contraction or recession because I made this question, so I know what are the answers. So it will show you what is the correct answer and the reason why. So if I do some random answer and it's wrong, then it will show you why you are incorrect and what is the right answer. Then it has study scenario game. So it will give you a scenario. You have to identify which phase of economy it is in. So I'm just randomly saying, then so on and so forth. It has flashcards. So what is GDP? If you click on it, it will give you the explanation. Then you move on to next one. You click on it, you move on to next one. It has infographics. So what all important things are there in the chapter? It discusses that. Then it has key points for the exam, quick summary for the chapter, and then a podcast that you can listen to. So it's a complete package. So starts with a video chapter. It has study notes, practice exams, scenario games, flashcards, infographics, everything in one go. Okay, and same thing. And the numerical special is this one. So we were talking about this. So it has 4-part videos where I'm solving numericals that you can watch. After watching, you can look at some similar examples that I have worked on, step-by-step solution. So stocks expected return, how to calculate it, what is given, how to put that in numbers, and then practice question, 50 numerical practice questions that you can practice on. Okay, and then you have mock exams. So mock exam, 3 mock exams are general, 100 question each, 3 hours time. There are special mock exams too, the case study based, numerical exam, and final mock exam. So let's say I'm going to final mock exam just to give you the feel. So it looks like this. It is created based on the weightings of the exam, and then you can do exam mode or practice mode. So let's say I'm doing practice mode. So this is the case. I think everything rises is the right answer. So it will say no, that is the incorrect answer. This is the correct answer. So on and so forth. Okay, 100 questions that you can practice on. So it's a complete package. Now let me cover the PowerPoint quickly and then we can come back. So all 18 chapters are covered for the IFC exams. So starts with chapter 1. I showed you how it looks, and goes on to chapter 18. Okay, each chapter includes like video lectures, study notes, practice exams, scenario games, flashcards, infographics, key points, etc. Then there are 6 full-length mock exams. So mock exam 1, 2, 3 are standard. So they are like increasing difficulty. So it is standard difficulty, it has some new questions, then it is advanced difficulty, mock exam 3. Then numerical exam, pure calculation based, then case study based exams, and then final comprehensive exam. So you can, numerical mastery is a special section where there is a 4-part video series, then 33 questions solved that you can look into, and 50 questions that you can practice. And we have a proven track record. So we have taught over 30,000 students, 200,000 investors, right? Complete coverage of all 18 chapters, 600 plus practice questions that you can look into. I'm a CFA charter holder. I teach in universities, right? And I'm also doing my PhD. So well qualified instructor, lot of success already. You can check out our reviews on Udemy and stuff. Okay. So this is the flow that we have already discussed. Every chapter starts with videos, study notes, practice, scenario games, flashcard, infographics, key points, and podcast for important chapters. Not every chapter will have a podcast, but most do. And you get like lifetime access if you enroll. So there are 2 ways to enroll. I'll show you that. But there is one method where you get lifetime access. You pay and the access codes will be emailed to you in 24 hours after purchase. Okay, so I'll show you that. So if I log out now, so this is the home page. So you have 3 options, like you have 2 options to enroll. So you can have one-time payment of $99 and have lifetime access. No need for monthly subscriptions or anything. So you click buy now. It will go to a payment page. You make the payment, right? Within 24 hours, you will get the access code. So that's one way. The second way is you can become a YouTube channel member, right? By clicking this button, it will go to the YouTube channel, right? And you click the $34.99 one. This is where IFC starts. So $34.99 subscription, you click join and it will charge you $34.99 per month, right? Some people can do this course in 1 month, so they might want to just join for a month and then discontinue. But on an average, people take 4 or 5 months to really prepare themselves. So it's up to you, but you can join or like you can decide to join or not. Okay, it's a better value proposition to have one-time payment and one-time access. And once you have the access code, right, access codes change every month, so we will email you the new access code. So when you have an access code, you click enter, you put your access code and it unlocks the course for you, and next time you come it will be unlocked for you. Okay, So that's the video. I hope to see you in class, and thank you so much for your time, and all the best for your EFIC exam.